In the ancient lands of Egypt, under the searing sun and amidst the whispering winds, stood a temple dedicated to Horus, the falcon-headed god of kingship and sky. The temple was revered by all, from the lowly farmers to the mighty pharaohs themselves. Among them was Amara, a young priestess with eyes full of curiosity and a heart imbued with bravery. Amara was tasked with the upkeep of the temple's most sacred artifact, the Eye of Horus, which was believed to bestow protection and healing. One evening, as the sun began its descent, casting an amber hue over the desert, Amara noticed something unusual. The Eye of Horus, which usually radiated a soft, blue light, was dimming. She felt an unsettling chill crawl up her spine. Taking this as an ill omen, she decided to consult the temple's elder, Sefu. Sefu, wise and aged, had seen many things in his years of service to Horus. He listened intently as Amara described the dimming of the eye, his brow furrowing in concern. "It is said," Sefu began, "that when the Eye of Horus dims, dark times are upon us. We must act quickly, for the protection of our people depends on it." With a sense of urgency, Amara and Sefu began investigating the cause. They scoured ancient scrolls and performed sacred rituals, but none seemed to provide an answer. Undeterred, Amara ventured into the desert, believing that the answer lay beyond the temple's walls. The desert was unforgiving, with scorching days and freezing nights. Days turned into weeks, and still, Amara found no clues. Just as hope began to wane, a falcon descended from the heavens, its wings casting a shadow over Amara. The bird locked eyes with her, and in that moment, she knew it was a sign from Horus. The falcon led Amara to a hidden oasis, a place untouched by time, where the air was cool and the waters were crystal clear. At the center of the oasis lay an obelisk, inscribed with hieroglyphs that spoke of an ancient ritual to restore the eye's power. Following the instructions, Amara performed the ritual under the watchful gaze of the falcon. As she completed the final incantation, the Eye of Horus in her possession began to glow, brighter and more brilliantly than ever before. With the artifact restored, Amara returned to her temple, greeted by a relieved and joyous Sefu. The temple, once shrouded in an eerie silence, was now alive with the harmonious sounds of life. The Eye of Horus had regained its power, ensuring the protection and healing of the people once more. Amara, though weary from her journey, felt an overwhelming sense of fulfillment. She knew that she had not only protected her people but had also forged a deeper, unbreakable bond with Horus himself. From that day forward, the temple stood not just as a place of worship but as a testament to the resilience and faith of those who served within its sacred walls.